welcome to another video of SandeshChat where we show you how to make the most of our platform. Now before you dive into actually building your first chatbot, there's a crucial first step, planning. If you don't have a clear roadmap on paper, the technical setup can get confusing. So today in this video, we're providing a basic clarity that you need to choose the right setup for your specific goals. So let's get started. Now step 1 is to understand the trigger, that is first choose what will trigger or start your chatbot. In SandeshChat, there are two primary ways this happens. First is the inbound messages and second is the template replies. Let's get started with inbound messages. Now this is when a customer messages you first. This is common for click to WhatsApp ads on Instagram or Facebook where a customer clicks on your ads and a pre-filled message like "Hi, I want to know more" appears in their chat. You can even use OR logic here, like setting your bot to trigger whether they say hi, hello or hey, etc. Now coming to the template replies. Now this happens when you send an initial message to the customer using a pre-approved template. Now here the chatbot triggers only when the customer interacts with a button or a form within the message that you sent to them. Now moving on to the step 2, choosing your structure. Now once you know what your trigger is, you need to decide how deep the conversation should go. That is deciding between single level and multi-level chatbots. Single level chatbots. Think of these as one and done interactions. Example is you send an invite with 2 buttons, register now and not interested to your clients. Now if they click register, the bot sends them a link. If they click not interested, it says thank you and the conversation ends there. Now, multi-level chatbot. These are sophisticated branching conversations. Like example is a customer says hi. The bot asks, how can I help you today? And provides 3 options. Now, depending on what they click, the bot asks a follow-up question, collects data, or even fetches information from your CRM like Sanchay or Sangam using the APIs to see who is messaging. Now, this is the entire decision flow. You need to plan on paper first, decide what's the trigger, decide how deep the conversation should go, and once you have it on paper clear, then you can start building your chatbot. Now to recap, the first step is to map it out on paper first to ensure that your logic is flow tight. Second step is to identify your trigger, that is it an inbound message from an ad or a reply to your template? Third step is to choose your level, that is do you need a simple single level reply or a sophisticated multi-level flow? So now that you have the clarity to choose the right path, you're ready to start building. Check out our next video where we walk you through step-by-step setup of a single level chatbot. That's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips on using SandeshChat.